Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off in-app notifications on your Threads app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Threads app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign here on down, then it's going to take you to your profile here or in this window, and you just go up, you will click here on this sign here on up, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on account, then it's going to take you to account window here, and you just click here on security, then it's going to take you to next window here, just waiting to show for you like this. You click here on login alerts, you will click here, then you click here on your account on Instagram, then it's going to show for you like this in-app notifications. You will click here on this sign or this color, and like you say color, it's gone, that's mean in-app notifications it's on off now. I wish know you agree. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.